Hi everyone, I'm Jamie Harnish, Toronto Real Estate Navigator with Bosley Real Estate. On today's episode, I am in Nicola Masterson's living room. She's a professional organizer and she's the owner-operator of Space in the City. Nicola, thank you so much for having us. You're a home-based business in Yonge and Eglinton, so I want to thank you for welcoming us into your home. Why don't we start off by having you tell us about your business?
Yeah, so Space in the City is a professional organizing service. We come to your home and we help you declutter and organize and get everything in order so that you can live your best life.
And how does one even become a professional organizer? Like, how does that happen?
Well, for me, I was an organizer all my life, basically. I had this massive closet that I was always trying to make function better. And I was always interested in organizing magazines and books and everything on the internet. I went to every course and conference I could find and studied the heck out of it, basically. It was like an obsession.
So a bit of a passion or a hobby that kind of turned into a profession, if you will.
Absolutely, yeah. It's like I'm living my passion. It's like they say, work a job you love, you'll never work a day in your life, and that's absolutely the case for me.
Great, okay, fantastic. What service do you find that you're providing most often? Like what's the most common phone call that you're getting?
I get a lot of calls from realtors actually, who are trying to sell their clients' home and they need their homes decluttered and downsized so that they can show their home to increase the value of the home, or pre-stage decluttering. And then for the homeowner itself, their home is then downsized for the move. It makes it more efficient. And when they move into their new home, we bring in a team and we unpack everything, put everything into a really organized system for them so that they can start their life within a couple of days, instead of having boxes living with them for the next months, or in some cases years, where they never unpack their boxes. So it's a really efficient use of time.
Do you have a favorite thing that you like a favorite phone call or a favorite service that you like to provide?
I do like packing a home because you start fresh from a clean slate. I love that, and I also love productivity systems too. So I actually work with a lot of clients who, for instance, a guy from Google I actually used to work with, who was pretty organized. But he just wanted that next level where he just wanted to make sure he was 100% working, firing on all cylinders, and organized in every area of his home and his computer and his calendar life, and everything was just flowing perfectly for him.
Oh, interesting. So on your website, I can see that you have a number of different services that you provide. One of them is that kind of digital organization that you were just speaking about.
That's right. So some clients have said that I am like their digital daughter.
Okay.
So basically, sometimes you can't ask your family, you can only ask a certain amount of times, oh, tell me again how to do this, or even just to make your systems work better and make your Gmail work better, make your calendar work better. Sometimes the help from the family irritates you. So I have a client this weekend where I'm organizing all her photos and organizing her Gmail and setting up systems and labels and everything in there for her.
Nicola, thank you so much for having us and sharing more details about your business. If you are watching and you need decluttering, dejunking, kind of a professional organizer, certainly contact Nicola. Nicola, can you remind people how they can get in touch with you?
Sure. So I'm on the web, so www.spaceinthecity.ca, you'll find me there. And then Instagram, my Instagram handle is instagram.com/spaceinthecity. You'll find me there, and then all my contact details are on either of those.
Perfect. Nicola, thank you.
Thank you.